Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning. So let's start learning. So first of all, let me know, is my voice audible to you all? Then please write yes in the comment box. Very good. Thank you so much for your quick response. So Aveti Learning provides you so many live classes, so many learning materials in this COVID-19 pandemic. So actually we are working for your academic enhancement, right? Good. So before we start our live class, let me tell you how can you join in our live class. So it's very easy. You just have to subscribe our channel Aveti Learning and press the bell icon to get more notifications. And these are the rules which you should have to follow while watching the live class. First of all, you should have to answer the questions which is asked, and that should be only on the comment box. And secondly, don't chat with each other. If you start chatting with each other, you will face the problem while watching the video. And finally, it's a special request to all of you that you should have to make the note after watching the video. As you know, it is a permanent video. You can search anytime from YouTube and find this video, and after that you can make your notes. Okay. So as usual, you know that Aveti Learning provides you free spoken English class and Aveti coding class for which you can speak English fluently, and that is absolutely free. Okay, so don't waste your time, start registration. So our registration line are open. So here are some links, and the link for the coding class is https://bit.ly/Aveti coding class, and the link for the spoken English class is https://bit.ly/Aveti spoken English. So now I am sharing a screen before you, and you can see here there are so many students who had participated in our previous spoken English classes. So now it's your turn. If you want to have your face in this screen, then the only thing you just have to do that is to register. After your registration, you can join in this Zoom app, and you can talk with our spoken English madam directly. So already thousands of students have registered their name, and don't wait. Okay, so ask your friends to join also. So as in the previous class, we have started a new chapter and we are continuing with the same. As we know, in an English sentence, verb must agree with its subject in number and person. Its form depends on whether the subject is singular or plural. Okay, so it also depends on whether the subject is first, second or third person. Okay, so genuinely we have known that a subject is always agree with the verb, and the verb is also agree with the subject according to their number, according to their person. Okay, whether they are singular or plural, according to that we can make a sentence. Okay, which makes a complete sense. So we are with subject verb agreement. So we are continuing with use of singular verb. So this is the second term. So already we have studied about 6 rules. So now it is rule number 7. And that is phrases beginning with a congregation of, a crowd of, a flock of, a group of, a herd of, a regiment of, etc., usually take a singular verb, in spite of the fact that the noun after of is plural. Okay, that means when a sentence starts with a flock of, a group of, crowd of, herd of, regiment of, etc., so in that particular sentence we can use singular verb. Okay, here we can see it goes with singular verb. Okay, for example, a crowd of people was shouting slogans. Here we can see a crowd of is used and after of people, which is plural, but this phrase takes was, which is singular. Okay, so a crowd of people, जोटा कि a crowd of, a group of, a flock of, okay, a congregation of, a regiment of, ए सबू फ्रेज जेतेबेले व्यवहार करा जाई थाए सेतेबेले सिंगुलर वर्ब व्यवहार होई थाए एवं ऑफ परे नाउन टी बा विशेष्य पदटी प्लूरल होई थाए बा बहुवचन होई थाए. Then rule number 8. Statistics, mathematics, physics, economics, news, measles, mumps, advice, information, jewelry, scenery, etc. are uncountable nouns. They take singular verbs. Okay, it's very easy. So the subjects which ends with s, but they are not plural, but they are singular and uncountable. So they carry singular verb. For example, physics is my favorite subject. Here physics which ends with s, but we cannot count it. Okay, it is uncountable but a singular noun and it carries singular verb. Okay. Then rule number 9. If the subject of a sentence is a clause, the verb is singular. जदि वाक्यर कर्ता गोटे क्लॉज बा गोटे खंड वाक्य होई थाए सेते बेले सिंगुलर वर्ब रो व्यवहार होई थाए. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हाट शी लाइक्स मोस्ट इज दिस बुक. अर्थात से झियोटी जहा बहुत पसंद करे ताहा होची एई बहिटी. ओके, सो इन दिस सेंटेंस व्हाट शी लाइक्स most, it is a clause. Clause means it is a part of sentence or a sentence. So here it is a part of sentence. It is a dependent clause. Okay, so what she likes most is this book. So here what she like most is a clause and it carries the singular verb is. Then rule number 10. A pair of scissors, a pair of shoes, a pair of trousers, etc. take a singular verb. Okay, when we talking about scissors, shoes, trousers, they can take plural verb. When it is limited to a pair of scissors, a pair of shoes, then they take a singular verb. For example, a pair of shoes was lying in the corner. So here we can see a pair of shoes. There are two shoes, but it is a pair of shoes means it's a single unit and it carries singular verb. Okay. Then rule number 11. When the plural noun is a proper name for some single object or for some collective unit, it requires a singular verb. Okay. Particular name जेतेबेले हेई थाए बा सेटा गोटे सिंगल ऑब्जेक्ट बा सिंगल यूनिट को जेतेबेले बुझाए बा कोनसी गोटे कलेक्टिव यूनिट को बुझाए ताले सेतेबेले मध्य सिंगुलर वर्ब रो व्यवहार करा जाई थाए. फॉर एग्जांपल, Gulliver's Travels was written by Jonathan Swift. Okay, Gulliver's Travels is a book. It is a collective unit, or we can say it is the name of a book, or we can say it is a proper name which ends with S, but it goes with singular verb, was. Okay, so the use of singular verb is finished. Okay, students, today is this much. I hope all of you have got the actual point of this topic. So we are with subject verb agreement. So the use of singular verb is over. So we are having so many assignments for you, so you should have to do that and send us with this WhatsApp link, WhatsApp group of class 10, and the link is here. So here are so many links from class 5 to class 10. So your duty is to do the assignment and send us. Okay. Further, if you are having some more queries or some more questions on this, then you can contact us with Aveti official WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is 7894040614. As all of you have known that we are providing free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Aveti Learning. So students, today is this much. We will meet in our next class with a new concept, with a new content, with some new questions, with some new pictures, with some new examples, with some new quiz sessions. Okay, so till then, don't go anywhere. Keep watching, keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Aveti Learning. Thank you.